Hey folks, we're back, and turns out we got a second train coming down the lean sub. Seems to be a Herzog train. Looks like we're gonna get a pretty good show right here. I gotta admit, I don't think I ever expect to see a train like this in a while. It's nice. Wow. Nice! Nice little horn show right there. Wow, it's been a while since I've seen a Herzog train. Who would have thought I'd seen this on the lean sub twice? 2 trains at the same location. I must be really lucky if I'm a rail fan. I just happened to see this when I crossed the tracks and I had to turn around. There was no way I wasn't gonna miss this. Call me luck, call this luck, or call it just pure coincidence. I don't think I've seen a Herzog train hit past after intermodal with the Thundercab Ace. Seriously, this is some serious rail fan luck if I have to get these 2 trains. I see the end all the way down there. There it is, I see it. Wow, Herzog train on the lean sub. This is a rare train, not gonna lie. You don't see many of these Herzog trains on the freight main line anymore. I must be very lucky to see this train. It's a very lucky catch too. Especially since this one's on the opposite track too. This is so cool. Wow. All right, here's the end. There it goes. There it goes. Wow. Man, I don't think I've ever seen a Herzog train in a long time. Really lucky to see this thing passing through on the lean sub. And just after an intermodal pass too. Call it double luck. Wow. That's crazy.